What I have here today is a solar panel that blew over in the wind, hit a rock and got shattered. It is still working, still putting out 13 volts, and so what I'm going to do to keep the glass from falling apart is take some clear top coat here and spray it on there. This has UV protection. It'll get into the cracks of the glass and hold it together. Yeah, I gave it a good spraying down here with this Universal Protective Clear. It is UV protected and it should waterproof it here. Hopefully I can get a little more use out of this.